Hey, concrete fans. Today, the Joy of Concrete, the Joy of Concrete Mini. I've got crumbs. I've got these leftover crumbs. I just finished casting a big thing, and I was making something out of concrete, and I got these little bits. And you know what? I love the environment. I don't want to throw little bits away. I want to use them. I got a mold made specifically for little bits. So I take my little bits. These are garbage, right? Jam my little bits down into the mold, and I just just go crazy. Little bits, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, little bits. Maybe just a little drips. A little drip of water I just dripped in there. The joy of concrete, having fun with concrete and little bits, little leftover bits. Tap that out. I think we need just a little bit more bits in there. I would have thrown the little bits in the garbage, but you know what? I got this little tiny little bits mold. For all you little bits out there, we're the little bits. You're the little bits. And this is a little bit of concrete in a little bit of a mold in just a little bit of time to do a little bit of something for you. Little bit, little bit. I hope you a little bit like it. And if you do, can you a little bit click on the like button and a little bit subscribe and a little bit check out the rest of the channel and see if there is anything that you a little bit might like a little bit. Okay. Good enough? Good enough. Tiny little bit of a thumbs up for we just made a quick little bit of concrete of something we would have thrown out, but instead we made something a little bit of something. I'll catch you on the cured side. Let's give this 24 hours and take a peek. We're back on the cured side. Little bit, little bit. What do you do when you got a little bit? You take that little bit and you put it into a mold that's a little bit. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see what we get. What did we get with our piece of concrete? Basically, garbage. So this is an old mold, and I just ripped it in half. Just ripped the mold in half. I don't use this type of silicone anymore. We were getting rid of some leftovers. The silicone was pretty junky, It was a low shore hardness, so I thought it was going to be nice have some nice stretch, and it does, but it tends to want to tear really quickly. And the other issue with the silicone, we've only used a couple gallons of it. Because of this, can't recycle it the same way. It doesn't bond with the other silicones, so I can't use it as like crush, chop, and molds. Not my favorite. Don't make molds out of that. But look at this. We had a dried, old up little bit of concrete, little bit, and we made something that's a little bit. Now, it's kind of extra voidy because we had, it was junk concrete and it had been sitting to cure, and it had already partially cured, and I kind of rammed it in there, but still really usable, cool little item that we made. Give this to someone, use it yourself, do whatever you want. That's what you do with a little bit of concrete. You make a little bit of a thing. Thanks, everybody, for tuning back into Concrete. I'm Mr. Concrete, and if you have any questions, you can ask them below in the comments or hit our website, www.concreteconcrete.com, and be happy to share some information, videos on there with you, or if you're looking for supplies to make beautiful things, that's the place. Bye, everybody.